We are along Roas Boulevard, and we're going to see the Dolomite. Ang ganda ng Pilipinas. Daan tayo sa overpass para makatawid papuntang Dolomite. Sa totoo lang, ganda na rin ng Pilipinas. May pagmamalaki na rin natin. Finally, we are here at Dolomite.
Go sit down there. Stand. Hey,
Wait. Dolomite, mate. Against the light, duduk mo na.
Yeah. Pixel paper.
What do you mean finally? You made us wait. Literally, we would have gotten here half an hour earlier.
Let's move. My back wet.
Let's see. Is it really white? Is it really white?
This ain't even sand, it's just rocks.
Hindi siya buhangin pero siya ay maliliit na parang crush na bato. Maliliit siya na puti. Medyo konti ang tao ngayon, so mas magandang naman ang panahon.
Okay, you mean those are the reclamation?
Yeah.
Oh, reclamation yun. Reclamation
Saan ang tatay mo?
area.
Humingi ka sa tatay mo.
Wow.
Malinaw ang tubig, malinis na. So makikita mo yung nasa ilalim. Pero wala akong nakitang isda.
It's not clean.
It's clear.
Look at that garbage right there. There's garbage right there. Look, this chip bag. They got water bottles.
It's clear.
Yeah, it's clear. It's not clean. 40 because I'm a good guy.
Ayun the guy piso.
Where are the fish? Where are the fish?
Lumot din no black sand.
It's not the rocks, it's the moss because nobody wants to go in.
The black.
I don't know.
Yes. finally, dream come true
Yeah.
to come over to see the Dolomite. Dolomite. Okay. It's a nice view. Nice view. May reclamation doon. Yung tinabunan, oh, ang laki pala, oh. Yun. Yun. Reclamation. Oh, there's a hotel water. Hotel water.
H2O, that's crazy.
There's
Hotel
Hotel Auto. It's 2O.
Oh, there's a crab.
Where?
Oh, there's a female thing. I don't know.
It's dead.
Yeah, but like, still a crab. Yeah, I'm gonna go in and get it. I'm gonna go in and get it. Why not?
The water is contaminated.
Finally, madam.
Yes, finally. From west to east, from north to south.
Now you see the white Dolomite. Not really white.
That our daily special
Manila
fish
Bay.
find.
The controversial white sand at Dolomite.
Let's take a picture.
Now the city. Now the city. Go there.
I'm recording.
Yeah.
Recording.
Oh, there's a there's a bay.
Across here. What are you doing?
Here's the moon.
Run.
I have to do the one.
It's another revolving restaurant there at the top of the building. Bird tree. Bird tree.
Birds.
That's your new thumbnail. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Yeah.
Dito na boy. Dito na boy. Dito na. Dili. Dito na. Oh. Alright. Alright. Alright.
Ang linis ng Manila Bay ngayon. Walang masyadong or walang basura. Malinis. May pagmamalaki.
Before and after. I'm going behind the wall. Behind the rock. Well. You know that there
Let's go.
are a million times more galaxies than there are grains of sand.
Bangat.
That's our galaxy.
What the hell is that?
Where'd you get that? Oh, that's the berries from trees. Maybe you sat on it. Cause like this, this right here, this is our galaxy. Yeah. This is our universe.
Okay, let's go.
Because there could be.
So if you take a look, it's not really sun. Hindi siya buhangin, kundi siya ay maliliit na crush na bato. Yan. Malinis siya. So that's it for today kasi pupunta pa kami ng MOA, Mall of Asia. So thanks for watching again. Like, subscribe, comment below, and God bless to all.